Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bobby with Flippin' Nuts, and yeah, I'm flipping nuts. Day 2 on the jet ski. Took the ski out yesterday. I put it in the lake back here. Our lake is so low right now. It's just so much mud and nastiness. It sucked all kinds of stuff into the wastegate. So what happened was the ski started bogging down. It actually would get up to RPM, but it wouldn't go anywhere. So I knew the wastegate was full of debris. So I pulled it out, put it up on the stands here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. And I'm going to take the wastegate off and then pull what I can out from the jet drive or the prop, and then see if. So as you can see right there, that's just what I pulled out, and the rain didn't wash away from last night. So as you can see, there's still quite a bit of debris up in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull that wastegate off and go ahead and get that debris out of there. So. Alright guys, so got it running halfway decent, but the carburetor is just not, it's been sitting too long. So what I'm going to try and do is take the carburetor out, soak it for a couple hours, put some air to it, some carb cleaner, and just see if I can get it going without having to rebuild it. The ski runs okay, but it's just, just not where it should be. So I'm going to take this carb off right quick and see if I can just do a little basic maintenance and see if that'll fix it for us. Alright guys, so there's 3 fuel lines on the side here. You have this one here, this one that goes on the bottom right here, which I've already replaced, and then this one right here goes on top. Okay, that's your vacuum. That's your vacuum, goes in, but as you can see, it's pretty gnarly in there. So see if we can get that out and get it cleaned up a bit. Alright, it's loose. So what you want to do when you're taking it off, just be really careful not to mess up the gasket. This gasket's actually in good shape. So there you go. It's off. It's kind of hard to see in there, but I can pretty much guarantee you this one hadn't been off in a long time. So I'm getting fuel all over the ski, of course. Alright. Alright guys, that's what I'm going to be using today to clean the carb. This is about the best stuff I've found to do carb cleaning. I have a sonic cleaner. I've tried just about everything. The Chem Dip by Berryman is, like I said, the best I've found. I'm not going to do a long soak. I'm not taking the carburetor apart. I'm just going to dip the whole thing and let it sit for a couple hours. If you're not going to take it apart, you don't want to go any longer than that, because you know, of the rubber pieces inside the carb and stuff. It's not really good to do that. So I'm only going to do like a 3-hour soak, and I haven't had any trouble doing it yet that way. If you're going to take it all the way apart and do, you know, a 24-hour or 48-hour soak, definitely take all the rubber bits and pieces out, take it completely apart, and you can do it that way. Alright, it's in. Alright, well, typical Florida day. It starts pouring down rain. I got the carb out. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's pretty clean inside. I did spray it out, and I did spray it down a little bit with carb cleaner. So, go ahead and get it put back on. Because it's raining, I'm going to go ahead and do this right quick, and then I'll film it when I get done. See you in a minute. Alright, we got it all back together. Let's see if it'll start. All right, well, the carburetor's back in, so now all we need to do is we need to go ahead and take it to the water and see if it bogs down, if it'll actually go. So stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks for checking in with me and watching the video. I hope you found something there that you could use. Stay tuned for part 3. Part 3 is going to be the fun part, cleaning the ski up, taking it for a ride. One thing I didn't put in this video was putting in the spark plugs, but that's pretty easy, so I didn't think really anybody needed to see that. But that's going to take care of part 2. And like I said, part 3 is coming, and I'll get that posted right away. But thanks again for watching the video. Please hit the like button and share it, and subscribe. I'd love to have you. So thanks again. Take care.